Hey guys, welcome back to 702 Motoring in Las Vegas. Everybody knows they're pretty famous for doing our Harley sound systems, producing some pretty amazing systems. So what we've got right here is a Rzr 2020 model, XP Turbo S. This customer picked the top of the line kit, the Rc14 Ride Command Stage 6. Stage 6 is new this year. It's LED lightings and all the speakers. And it's got horns in the rear speakers. Horn technology we're using a lot of the motorcycles now. So I got them in the rear here. You got some LED lighting. So this is a pretty awesome sounding little kit. You got some rear speakers. You've got some front speakers. You've got a subwoofer underneath the seat. It's all waterproof product. It's got Rockford's new 1500 watt 5-channel waterproof amplifier. So let's hear what this baby sounds like. And we're going to listen to some Tom MacDonald music because it's not copyright protected and he allows us to use his music. So versus the YouTube copyright free music. So let's see what we got here. The baby sounds like. So I get my phones adjusted here. Here's some music.
To kneel for the flag and sell the soldiers that were buried. Lately, USA is getting scarier. Half of the Americans I see all hate America. They hate the cops doing their best to take care of us and kneel for the flag and salt the soldiers that we're burying. I'm tired of the fishing and complaining. Why you living in America if all you do is hating? You think it's brave, you think it's stand against the nation. Real bravery is dying for the right so you can say it. Dear America, what happened to Americans? Apparently no one's aware or cares that it's embarrassing. It's arrogance. Our greatest enemy was always slavery and terrorists, and now it's people in the country trying to burn the heritage. I can't help it, I just seem to see the world different. It ain't Republicans or liberals, it's mental illness. The internet is only interested in left opinions. Cancel culture's got more power lately than the First Amendment. If you don't like it, leave. We will not defund police. We don't want no riots in our neighborhoods or in the streets. We respect freedom of speech. We protect what we believe. We don't want nobody dead, so please do not tread on me. In America, freedom ain't free. In America, that soldiers dying overseas. So America, you can say what we believe. My America, I won't ever take a knee. Our freedom is the reason you can disrespect our flag. If my stars and stripes offend you, then I'll help you back your bags. America, does anybody know what the hell happened to the Patriots? Lately, this nation is so ashamed and hating itself. Did everyone forget that people died to pay for this ungratefulness? United States gave everything to you just to help. I just want to celebrate Thanksgiving with my family. I don't need your help to understand it was a tragedy. Can I just be thankful for my country eating happily without you trying to kill me for the genocide and casualties? I can't help it, I just seem to see the world different. It ain't black or white, it's conflict designed by the system. I don't need your pronouns, all I see is men and women. Kids are taking pills for fun while people can't afford prescriptions. If you don't like it, go. Hate it, then don't call it home. We don't need no violence, got no time for all you radicals. Screw the status quo, we're not animals. I won't kneel for the anthem, cause the flag is what I'm standing for. In America, freedom ain't free. In America, the soldiers dying overseas. So America, you can say what we believe. My America, I won't ever take a knee. Our freedom is the reason you can disrespect our flag. If my stars and stripes offend you, then I'll help you back your bags. America, you can hate the government and still love the country. The fundamental values of America are country. Republicans and liberals are dumb, to put it bluntly. They're labels that they use to create chaos and corruption. You can know the history and still be proud of where you're from. Every flag around the world is covered in a little blood. We started out United States, divided is what we've become. If home is where the heart is, you should show America some love. In America, if freedom ain't free. In America, the soldiers dying overseas. So America, you can say what we believe. My America, I won't ever take a knee. Our freedom is the reason you can disrespect our flag. If my stars and stripes offend you, then I'll help you back your bags. America.
All right. So it's pretty clean, pretty loud sounding system right here. Once again, if people don't know, that's music from Tom MacDonald. He's an independent artist on YouTube. He's got no record label assigned to him. He allows us to use his music. We appreciate that. We'll have links to his information and the song below. The song is called America. And once again, his 2020 Polaris RZR XP Turbo S. Two-seater with the Rockford Fosgate Rzr14Rc-Stg6 RZR14 Ride Command RC Stage 6. All right, guys, stay tuned for a couple more Harley Davidsons. We're working on about 3 more bikes right now. 702 Motoring, Las Vegas.